Hi, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Kimberly Bungato Pilipino. I'm 37 years old, currently living at Hinablan, Bajan, Cebu City. I have two children, a 3 years old girl and a 9 years old boy. I am 9 years of marriage. My husband working as a security guard. My father working as a factory driver. And my mother is a food vendor. I have two sisters and three brothers. I am high school graduate. I have experienced domestic helper in Singapore, finished contract from April 2019 to April 2021. I serve two adults and two children. Ages 40 and 47 years old, and the children ages 5 years old and 9 years old. My main duties and responsibilities for that employer is to taking good care of the young ones, prepared foods, make the house neat and clean, doing laundry, and marketing as well. If my new employer choose me, all I can say is I am hardworking, polite, I am good manners, and trustworthy. I'm willing to adapt new things for my new environment so that I can give good services for my new employer. Message for my new employer. Hi, hoping you're doing good today. Please hire me to be your domestic helper. I will suited this position and I can perform such as cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and marketing as you required. I will promise to finish my 2 years contract and obey your rules and regulations. Thank you very much and God bless you all.